Hey guys, it's Allie here. So today's video is a couple of DIY last minute Halloween costumes. I know Halloween's like a couple days away, and if you're like me, you probably waited until the last minute to figure out what you want to be, and that's why you're watching this video. These are super simple, don't require a lot of creativity or skill, I guess. So, without further ado, let's get DIYing. So my first costume is a lifeguard costume. I just have this lifeguard sweatshirt that I got from Myrtle Beach, and I have a little fanny pack with it because I think lifeguards usually carry a fanny pack. And I'm wearing a bucket hat and some sunglasses. Obviously lifeguards wear sunglasses. And I just have on some leggings too, and I'm wearing my fake Birkenstock sandals with it. Also, if you had a whistle, that would probably be perfect. My next costume is an angel costume. I'm just wearing a long white t-shirt with some white knee socks too over my leggings. And then I made my own I made my own halo and angel wings, which I'll show you how to do here in a second. So for the supplies for the halo, you'll need white feather boa, some pipe cleaners. Doesn't matter the color for these, but you'll also need some white pipe cleaners for separate reason. Oh, don't mind my cat Mia, she just likes to help me craft. You will also need a hot glue gun to glue the things together and some scissors. I almost forgot, you'll need a headband too. Now you're going to take your pipe cleaners and shape them into a loop, and with the white pipe cleaners you're going to make like the little part of the halo that like sticks up off your head. And so I'm just twisting these pipe cleaners together to make them a little more sturdy, and you can reinforce them with another white pipe cleaner if you'd like. That's what I did. Now I'm going to take that loop of pipe cleaner and attach it to the tops of the white pipe cleaners, because this is going to be the shape of our halo. Now it's time for the feather boa, and so what I did was I measured out how long it needed to be to go around the top of the halo, and I cut off the little extra end part, and then I cut it to the size I needed. Now I'm taking my hot glue gun and I'm just gluing on the feather boa to the pipe cleaner, and I just put the glue on the pipe cleaner and kind of stuck it to the feathers. It didn't necessarily have to be to the rope part because it held pretty well. So. Here is the completed halo. It's super cute, and actually I decided to shorten the white pipe cleaners because it was too wobbly, so you can do that too. And now for the angel wings. You'll need white fabric, the rest of the boa, something to mark with, scissors, and hot glue. So I'm actually going to use a marker to mark with because it's a little bit more easy to see. And I'm just kind of outlining a half heart shape for each wing. So now to cut it out, I just folded it over, so I only had to trace it once. And I'm just cutting along the dotted line of the angel wing. So now I am taking the feather boa and I'm measuring it to the length that I need, and then I'm going to cut it because it'll be like a little trim around the outside of the angel wings. And I'm just going to attach it with hot glue. Here is the completed costume. I just pinned the angel wings on with some safety pins, and ta-da! That is it. I almost forgot the shoes. These are just some white tennis shoes that I'm gonna wear with my outfit. And my last costume is a leopard print costume. I got this jumpsuit from Kohl's for about $10, and then I got this kit that came with ears, a bow tie, and a tail. And I attached the tail with just a piece of brown ribbon. And then I'm wearing long sleeves underneath because it's usually cold where I am for Halloween. And then here is the makeup look. I didn't want to ruin the day's makeup, so yeah, that is the complete leopard print outfit. Oh, and I'm just wearing a pair of black flats with the outfit. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked these costumes, and I hope you were inspired to make them, kind of take your own take on them and try them out. If you did like this video and like these Halloween costumes, then please like this video. And please subscribe to my channel. I know I never say that because I don't want to sound like nagging or anything, but I am still trying to get my start, and I'm really trying to upload more videos more consistently now that my golf season is done. And in the next couple of weeks my musical practices will be done, so hopefully I can upload more often. So please do subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out, helps me get my start and keep growing. And I love making videos for you guys, so I will try my best to be consistent, and I will not let you guys down. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!